Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download That's Not My Neighbor on your PC or laptop, safely and step by step. First, open Google and type That's Not My Neighbor. Then click on the first result. It should be from nacho.itch.io, which is the official game page. Make sure the link ends with .io, because that's where the real developer hosts the game. Once you're on the page, you'll see the official description and download options. The game is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. For Windows users, the .exe file is what you want to download. Scroll down a bit until you see the Download Now button. When you click it, the site will ask you to name your own price. The game is technically free, but the developer allows donations. So if you can, consider supporting them with a few dollars to keep indie games like this going. If you don't want to pay, no worries. Just click "No thanks, just take me to the downloads." You'll then see the available versions. Windows, choose 32-bit or 64-bit depending on your system. Mac, choose the zip file. Linux, choose the x86 or x64 version. Click the right one for your computer and the download will start immediately. Once it's done, just open the file, extract it if needed, and run the game. No installation wizard required. And that's it. That's how you download and play That's Not My Neighbor on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.